Welcome to aminacademy.com. In fluid mechanics, let us discuss about hydraulic gradient line and total energy line for various losses in pipes. First, let us discuss about hydraulic gradient lines. Here, it is defined as the line which gives the sum of pressure head P over W and datum Z of the following flowing fluid in a pipe with respect to some reference line, or it is the line which is obtained by joining the top of all vertical ordinates showing the pressure head P over W of a flowing fluid in a pipe from the center of the pipe line. It is briefly written as HGL. Now, hydraulic gradient line is defined as sum of pressure head, sum of pressure heads it is known as sum of pressure head P over W and datum Z and datum Z. Now total energy line that is TEL, here HGL. It is defined as the line which gives the sum of pressures, pressure head, datum head and kinetic head of the flowing fluid in a pipe with respect to some reference line. It is also defined as the line which is obtained by joining the top of all vertical ordinates showing the sum of pressure head, kinetic head and kinetic head from the center of the pipe. It is briefly written as TEL. Now, total energy line is the sum of pressure head, that is P over W and datum head Z and kinetic head. Kinetic head V squared by 2G. Altogether is known as total energy line. Now we will discuss these energy lines with some example problem we can understand clearly. Now look at this example. A horizontal pipeline of 40-meter long is connected to water tank at one end and discharge freely into the atmosphere at the other end. For the first 25 meter of its length from the tank, the pipe is 150 mm diameter and its diameter is suddenly enlarged to 300 millimeter. The height of water level in the tank is 8 meter above the center of the pipe. Considering the losses of all head occurs, take F equal 0.01 for both sections of the pipe. Draw hydraulic gradient line HGL and total energy line TEL. From the previous problem, some answers are given. HI, that is head loss due to at entrance, is 0.5 meter. HF1, frictional loss in pipe 1 is 6.73 meter. HE, that is sudden enlargement, HE is 0.568 meter, and HF2 frictional losses in pipe 2 is 0.126 meter, and H at outlet is 0.063 meters. Now we'll start the problem now. First we'll draw total energy line. That is, take a point A. See, this is a point A at free level of the water. Then AB is, draw a vertical line AB that is equal to loss at entrance, that is 0.5. Here take this point is B, that is from this AB is, for AB is 0.5 meter. From B, draw a horizontal line up to the pipe 1 length. Here this line B2 C. B2, take L, the point is L. That BL is indicated the length L1, that is 25 meter for some scale. From L we have to drop a perpendicular up to HF1 equal to 6.73. Here from this we can put it 6.7. This is total 8. This is a perpendicular. Drop a perpendicular at this one is 6.73 meter, that is HF1 here. That is this is equal to HF1, you can write. This is for here is HI. This is a 0.5. It is HI. Now join B2, that point is C. Then point C. From point C, drop another perpendicular of 0.568. Here this HE at entrance 0.5 and at enlargement 0.56. Now draw a straight line exactly. From 0.56 0.56. From that point is D. From D, draw a point E, 0.126. HF2 0.126 here to 0.126. This is a point M, this point E. Now this line BCDE, that is ABCDE, is a total energy line. Here ABCDE is total energy line. TEL. This is here 0.126. That is HE, head loss due to sudden enlargement. Now let us discuss now hydraulic gradient line. Hydraulic now HGL will do. For this, from B take BG, from B the point take BG of that is BG equal V1 squared by 2G equal 1 meter. That kinetic head, for 1 meter we have to take the point here B, that is we can put the point is G, and from G, from C drop a perpendicular H up to this. Now join D2 D2H. We can put some other color. Then from this drop a from D2 that point. This is a point F. N squared. From next one, draw DGH. GH is parallel to BC, line BC. And from F, draw a line FI. Draw a line FI. Point F here. Join the point H and I. Join the point H and I. This point is I here. Now the line now. Then G H I F represents hydraulic gradient line. The line G H, this is H here. The line G H I F is a hydraulic gradient line. So this, to draw the lines of total energy line and hydraulic gradient line, it's useful to study over the flow through pipes. You have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.